Alright guys, welcome to part 2 of my grandpa's Rev rebuild. If you missed the last episode, we are rebuilding my grandpa's 2004 Ski-Doo Rev that he spring checked over 20 years ago. This snowmobile holds a sentimental value to me personally, as I grew up on the sled and it was the first snowmobile I remember being scared of because of how much power it had. So here we are 20 years later. This snowmobile hasn't been running since 2017, and in the last episode we figure out why it hasn't been running. So in this episode, it's all about putting the sled back together and hopefully getting it out on the snow here soon. The first order of business, we need to go see our friend Raiche over at RHI Powersports here in Sheridan. Rob is the man when it comes to every sled part you could possibly imagine, and finding an 800 HO motor is extremely hard to do these days, believe it or not. And so we're hoping Rob has everything we need to get my grandpa's snowmobile up and running.
A whole box of goodies there.
Yeah, full engine, just in lots and lots of parts and pieces now. Decent. No scuffing, no scoring, no scratches.
Rob is the man. He hooked us up with everything we need to rebuild that motor. We got the crankcase, we got pistons, we got the head, and then some other miscellaneous things that we're going to replace. So, awesome. We got our parts. Now it's time for the fun part, learning how to rebuild a motor.
Smoothly.
Let's go.
Big win. Let's go.
One last look at her before she gets reassembled. All shined up. Jett's ready to throw this motor in, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
So stoked.
Okay, try to smash my fingers.
Where's the 10 mil?
I don't know. We lost the 10 mil, as per usual. Could be anywhere.
Ooh. Good sign.
Yep.
Truth.
Alright.
Moment of truth.
She fires up.
Are you ready? Tethered, probably.
Tether would probably be helpful.
Where is it? In here.
You think you're nervous, brother?
You ready?
Alright, go for it.
She cranks. That's good. Problems?
Oh man.
Uh-oh. So close.
Tribulations.
Had some pieces fall off in the recoil, and that's something we should have cleaned it. So we're gonna clean it up and put it back together and then try again.
Just trying to start this thing up for the first time.
Take 12. I mean, no, first take. Let's try it again.
Go for it.
Ready?
Yep.
Scary noises. Very scary. Okay. Second start since scary noise. Ready? Dude! Let's go! Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna go up and do some braking miles. Hopefully it runs. What you got there, Marcus?
You know, just a little hybrid.
Hybrid? Skidoo. Time to see if it's time to test Jett's work here. Let's see how she does. I'm excited. We got the whole gang here. Everyone's getting some rev time today. Alright. Let's do it. Little while. Smoky. It's probably just running Raiche, huh? What do you smell, Jett?
Plastic.
Plastic?
I think we got some plastic melting somewhere.
That's what I smell too. Think that's normal plastic smell, or see how hot she is.
I don't know.
Throw some snow on it. On the pipe there.
Average. Explain it.
What's it doing?
You know, it kind of seems fine, but it also kind of does not seem right.
My guess would be it might just be running rich, and those new plugs might be starting to foul a little bit, and you just need to pin her to the bar. I think if your motor was bad, it probably would have locked up by now.
Everything else seems fine, other than it just does seem like it's running a little rich.
The pipe,
And-
yeah, probably all the packing is falling down through there, and who knows?
And also not being ridden for 7 years.
Yeah.
In a 20-year-old snowmobile with a brand new motor in it.
Could be. Clean down a little bit.
Yeah, she just needs, and yeah, running fuel, mixing the oil and the fuel.
We just kind of cruised down the road for a second, and there's some weird smells going on, but I think that's normal, hopefully. But we just got off the trail here, off the road, and we're gonna have some fun with it. Have some fun with the rev and get everyone's thoughts.
What are we doing here, Jett?
We're going to adjust some clutching a little bit. We're revving a little high, so we'll turn her down a bit.
Grease deados?
Yeah, maybe.
Grease deados.
Grease deados.
Tell you what though, just that little ride right there brought back some memories. I'll tell you what, that was fun. We'll get the clutching dialed here. She seems to be running good though. She's a 2-pole girl, I guess, at elevation.
What'd it do?
Maybe under revving slightly.
Did we overshoot?
I think we overshot.
What was it at?
I saw it not even quite touch 8 yet, but it definitely felt a little like it was under revving a little bit.
Jett's gonna get technical with us.
Okay, we'll put it back.
Put it back to what it was?
What?
Put it back to what it was?
Probably not quite.
Like 3 or 4.
Yeah. Ouch.
Is it hot?
It's kind of warm, yeah. I feel a lot of pressure right now.
Why? Everybody's watching you?
Everybody's watching me.
There we go.
Money. Sit down and ride it.
Riley's turn. Nostalgia. Going down
Been a
memory
long
lane.
time.
Oh yeah. Riley's gonna give her a whirl. You gotta do one full cookie with her.
Yeah, right.
You can do it.
I don't know. Feels strange.
How was that?
Hooked up already.
How'd she feel?
She grunts good. She
Bring-
runs sweet.
Bring back some memories?
Oh yeah.
Guess whose turn it is?
Yep. Let's go.
Anna, you've never rode an old sled.
We better put marks on it, honestly.
You rode a Mountain Max on the trail for a second. That does not count.
Uh-oh.
First time on a rev. Let's go.
Oh,
You know,
man.
you know how to turn it on?
Button.
This is gonna be awesome. What'd you think of it though?
It's not that bad.
Yeah, okay, think about this thing 20 years ago and how revolutionary it
It won't
was.
go anywhere, but it'll turn.
Well, that's the track. It's not the power, it's not how it handles.
Ow.
That's just the track. It's a 144 with it, or well, 151 with the 2
My
inch.
grip strength ain't back yet.
All right, now that we got her dialed away from the meadows, we got some terrain to work with, so we're gonna have a little fun, do some side hilling.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's enough for old Rev Girl here.
How's she running?
She's running good. I think that's plenty for break-in day. She's I don't want to push it anymore today.
What do you think, Jett?
Great success. The Rev ran good, so it's a fun day.
Mission accomplished. Test ride with the Rev. Great success. So yeah, everything went well today. Revs were running good. We got some minor tweaks to do, but for the most part, very happy with how it ran, and excited to give it back to my grandpa. That's the next part here. Is we went and test rode it today, and then now we're gonna go. One of these days, we're gonna go ride with my grandpa, and I'm excited to see him ride it for the first time in a long time. So yeah, couldn't be happier. What an epic day.